Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope all is well and fine. This is lecture 6 for subject English, class 4. Your English teacher Naushin Mirza here from Divisional Public School, Model Town, Lahore. The contents of today's lecture are creative writing basics. Then I'll give you introduction of the lecture. Then there is an explanation. I'll explain it to you. Then there is creative writing sample paragraph. I'll give you a sample paragraph for the creative writing. As I have told you, I always encourage my students to write on their own, write their own ideas, their feelings, their thoughts. But here, for the creative writing topic, I'll give you a sample paragraph so that you will be able to write on your own. The basics of creative writing are: the students are always encouraged to use their imagination, to use their ideas, to write about the given topic. So in that case, there is no right or wrong answers. Just try to think, and so in that way, try to write whatever comes in your mind. Try to be as creative as possible. Try to relate day-to-day activities within your essay, and that would be very delightful. And with that particular practice, try to have fun. Let's see what's our topic for the creative writing. My favorite season. Okay, so what you have to do first of all is to make a rough draft, make an outline for that in your mind. For writing creative writing topic, my favorite season, you have to give general view of seasons first of all. Then you will write 4 seasons in Pakistan. Then you have to write names of favorite season. Next, you have to write prominent features of your favorite season. Then you will write effects and benefits of that season. You also can write the reasons of liking, why you like this season. In conclusive lines, you have to write that what you mostly do in that particular season. So while brainstorming about my favorite season, as you know, seasons are categorized as 4 major parts: summer, spring, winter, autumn. Seasons affects our moods mostly, and whenever it comes in our mind that it is a summer season, the weather will be hot and rainy. While brainstorming, the weather in autumn season is cool and dry, whereas in winter we have snowy and cold weather. In spring season we have warm and windy weather. right? Mostly, winter season is often loved by the people. So let's see what has been selected. Here is the word bank for the creative writing topic, my favorite season. You have to use these words to create a paragraph on the particular topic. Blessed, benefits, temperature, weather, starts and ends, coldest months, snowfall, hailstorms, warm cloths, fresh fruits and vegetables, hot drinks, read books. While communicating ideas in writing, they are always expressed to inform the reader, to persuade a reader, or to create another work. So, let's try it. Now, students, I'll give you a sample paragraph on my favorite season. I'll read it for you. Allah has blessed Pakistan with 4 seasons. They are winter, summer, spring, and autumn. All of them have their own benefits. Everyone has his own choice of season, but winter is my favorite season of the year. During winter, the weather is very cold and the temperature falls even below 5 degrees centigrade in some parts of the country. There is heavy snowfall on mountains and hilly areas. Winter season usually starts in the month of November and ends in February. The coldest months of the season are December and January. In the course of this season, some places face heavy snowfall and hailstorms. People wear warm clothes like jackets, sweaters, and coats. Some people use heater to get some warmth. Hot drinks and dry fruits are preferred by people to keep themselves warm. The season offers us lots of fresh fruits and vegetables like oranges, bananas, apples, radish, carrots, and green vegetables. I like to drink hot milk with Horlicks in the winter season. So during winters, I love to be at home and read books. Now I have guided you how to write on a particular topic as we have done my favorite season. Now in home task, you have to write a paragraph on my favorite personality. Dear students, if you have any queries or any questions, do inbox me or comment in the comment box. I'm here to help you, to guide you, and keep learning regularly. Stay safe, keep practicing, as continuous learning is always required to learn new things well and fully. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.